viewers, Mescal here. This little laptop wasn't a month old when I dropped it. Put that lovely big crack on the screen. And since then it's been plugged into HDMI output. I'm just using this monitor. So I just watched a quick video. Someone showed how to get this screen off. I need to get this out to order a new one, but there could be 4 different screens in here. So there's the angle on that. You'll be able to see the little square cover down here. There it is. I'll pop those off. And there's a screw behind it. Have a look at my new Christmas toy. This is the Leatherman OHT. The baddest pair of pliers you ever come across. Okay, one hand tool. Very sharp little knife on it. One tab. Two tabs. And that's not even tight. In the video I watched, he just basically tugged up here. There we go. He was using a little spudger tool. So those little clips you see there are what holds the screen on. Just got to work your way around. There's some down here as well. So we've got that far. Feels like there's another 1 or 2 down here. Pull off these bits of adhesive, undo the screws, 4 screws, that screen will come out, then I can order a new one having known the part number of that screen. And the screws are out, so that should just pop forward. Yes, look at that. And I should be able to lay that down on the keyboard, undo that connector. Just slide out. Bam. And now that I've got this number here, I can order a new screen. Man, these lazy bastards never knock on the door. Well, there it is, all the way from Vancouver. I looked around for a while before I bought it, but most of the stuff was eBay with bad feedback, or some portions of bad feedback. Obviously, high volume sellers cop a bit of that, but when you read wrong panel on most of them, not worth going there. And considering the hoo-ha I had with the buying a camera, once bitten twice shy. So this came from a company in America, shipped by UPS. And hopefully it's the right one. Hopefully it turned up unbroken. Shipping was pretty quick. looks right. Cool. So the holes line up. This might be a two-handed job. Unplug that HDMI cable. Turn it on. Nothing. What the hell? Yeah, look at that. It didn't work because I tried to do it while it was plugged in and live and hot, and you can't hot swap it. You got to turn the bloody thing off. Mega, there it is. I have a new screen. Woo! Do the little dance. Do, 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 do. Winning, winning. I dropped it and the screen broke. Look at that. Beautiful. I've done the top two already. Here's a tip for getting these little screws in. Put it on the screwdriver, hold it with your fingernail, and just line it up. Just brought this tag through the corner before I clip this in. That way I'll be able to peel that off when I'm done. Getting these bottom clips to go on is being problematic. I've had my hand around the back there, putting pressure on the screen and then poking along. Had a few clicks, but it still seems to be a bit sloppy. Well, there you go, screen replacement. Thanks for watching.